Hello, NordVPN is a very popular VPN service provider with millions of users worldwide. If you don't know what a VPN is, in a nutshell, a VPN or virtual private network is a service that allows you to connect to the internet through a secure private server. This server then encrypts your data and hides your IP address, making it difficult for third parties to track your online activities. While a VPN can provide many benefits, it is important to note that it is not a magic bullet. A VPN will not protect you from all online threats, and it is important to use caution when sharing sensitive information online. In this video, I'd like to show you how you can set up NordVPN on a Mac. I'm not going to explain all the functionalities in details in this video. I have another video where I show you the different options. If you are interested, click the link in the top right corner and watch that video. So right now I'm on the NordVPN website, and here you can see that my status is currently unprotected. So to install NordVPN on a Mac, it's very simple. You just need to go to the App Store. And here just search for NordVPN. And here is the first result. Just download and install it. Click open, agree to the terms. Okay, I'm not going to try the presets, so I just click not now. And basically that's it. All you need to do is log into your NordVPN account. Here you can see the available servers on a map, and here on the left side you can see the country list, so you have a huge selection available to you. Okay, so let's log in. I'm now logged in, and all I need to do is pick a country. If you click the Quick Connect button, then NordVPN will try to connect to the closest server to you, but you can also select something from the list here. Let's select United States, and you see these three dots here. If you click here, then you can select a region. Let's select Dallas. And we are now connecting to the server. And that's it, we are connected. And if you go back to the NordVPN website and refresh the browser, now it detects that my status is now protected. So basically that's it. And if you want to know more on how to use NordVPN, I will leave a link to another video in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much.